All right, what are we doing?
Camping.
When is it? What's the date?
November 16th.
And it's gonna be cold.
Yeah, and my birthday's in 5 days.
All right, let's do this.
Getting firewood so we can make a fire.
Make
Yeah.
sure you get shots of everything, and wide too, not too close.
I'm in my mom's car. Vroom, vroom. Get out my car! Oh, we are going!
It's you that I want when the world gets cold. It's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see.
Good?
Yeah.
And the strength that you've shown.
All right, put the end in there.
Here, look how we
I got it.
Cool. All right, so that looks pretty good, right? What was that?
We need to get the wood and bring it somewhere.
Yeah, let's.
So we can add more like stuff in there. So we have room, and we need the backpacks, the lights, the flashlights. I don't know.
Yep.
The tent's here. I can't go in it because I got my shoes on.
All right, let's go unload the wood. Let's go unload the wood, kiddo.
Huh?
Let's go unload the wood.
Yeah.
What are you guys doing?
Stacking firewood.
Here we go.
Getting the firewood.
Perfect.
Dropped on my toe.
your gaze, the world looks bright. Forever by your side.
Jenga. Dad, we're playing Jenga. The opposite way. Cords. His backpack cords. I don't know why. 10 million cords. A air mattress so we can be comfortable in the tent. My backpack.
Generator.
Right?
Yep. All right, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, tonight.
Yeah. What's it for?
So we can set a fire. Ow!
Maybe I should say a little back so I don't catch on fire.
Ooh,
tiny
look at that. Look at that.
Look how cute it is.
I think we're good.
And the strength that you've shown.
Ooh, good job, Dahlia.
Through the toughest of times, we still stand strong.
Guys, I can find a fire stick. I know. Okay, so over here is a good spot. There is mostly leaves. Okay, we are. Okay, she found a stick. We found one, I guess. Here is the stick. Let's go show him and see if he likes it.
What are you trying to do?
Make a torch. Blow on it, Jeremy. Right in there.
Do not burn yourselves, girls. All right, girls, look at. I have a mattress that we're gonna try to blow up. Will you extend that, honey? Now put that in the tent. Is it? You getting smoke in your eyes?
So, my zipper's up. Oh! Your chair right here. We got this to cook and stuff. We got the plug in our stuff, and we got a bunch of firewood.
Yep.
We got a fire set up already,
Yep.
and we got the coal. We got a pot because we're gonna be making chili. We got. I don't know what this is, but we got a bag.
Just show us the tent. What's inside? The tent. The tent, girl.
And we got some food in here. Inside of the tent.
Cool.
We got bags, a coat, and hot buddies.
And your bugs.
And our bugs.
For dinner, we're making what?
Chili.
Chili. Woo. We've got. Where is our chili? It is hot. We got some butter, some garlic, some onions in our Tupperware. We're gonna start with that. Butter. Yeah. Color of flavor, you know?
The chili is cooking and it's doing good, but it's not close to done. It looks close to done. Answer? Well, that's rude.
Put some tomato sauce on the chili.
I hope he doesn't cut himself.
We forgot a can opener.
It looks hot.
All right, girls, how about some green chilies in the chili?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Black beans. Everything tastes better outside, kids, just so you know. Some white beans. Now we're gonna add our leftover chili that we had at the house. It's kind of cold, but that should give it a lot more flavor. Now that it's kind of cooking, I brought some homemade chili powder. Oh, hopefully that wasn't too much. Here and here.
Of course.
Of course.
We always have to do that. Oh God, sorry. Me too.
We finally got the chili made.
Mm-hmm.
And?
It's really good.
Wow, you're eating it too.
What do you expect?
What do you mean, what do I
already
expect?
need more.
Coming down from the house.
Hey, Dad, can I have bread?
Hot on fire.
Once upon a time, there was 3 people camping in a tent in the dark. And we're going to a coyote den,
Great.
but there's no coyote in it.
Oh boy. Cool. Very responsible parents, huh?
I got it out. I got a piece of bark out.
It was actually bark in your eyeball?
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
Look at that. Someone's boot miner.
That's
Yeah, I know. We
interesting.
saw that.
That's one of you.
Why would you tell her to stomp around a coyote hole?
See if there's anything in it. Gee. During the day, they are normally in their den. During nighttime, they're normally active. Touch
Okay, I see the coyote hole.
This not used though. You get it on camera?
Okay, hang on.
There's a stick down there.
Ah! All right, I'm done. I'm too old for this. All right, kiddos. Tell them what we did and what time it is and where we're doing.
It's 7:30, and they're going to bed watching Avatar. Just got some chips because I'm still hungry.
Okay.
So good night. Time to go to bed.
Are we
I
gonna-
just heard a train.
Are we gonna do this again?
Yeah, for 10 million weeks.
All right. Love you guys. My back hurts. Bye.
Bye.